Hey Justin, this is Chris over at Pipedrive Support. So I was going to go over real quick. I've been thinking about how to actually extract the smart email BCCs for deal-specific addresses, and I actually came up with a really nice workaround. I duly apologize if you're not receiving our emails. We're having some trouble with our support at the moment. Sometimes some of the emails were sent out yesterday didn't actually make it. And I also was notified that you were not able to, the CSV file didn't have all of the info that you needed. So I got to thinking, how can we do this? And I found a way. So I'm going to run you through this tutorial real quick. This is the first time anybody's ever done it at Pipedrive, but this is a good starting point. So I'm going to sign into my Pipedrive account, and I'm going to show you some new interesting ways of working with this. So once you're in your deals page, just go into list view. And once we're in list view, I've already got something set up here, but I'm going to show you what I did. I created a special filter to show me every single deal in my system. So this filter is very simple. It's match any of these conditions. And I have 3 pipelines, so I selected deal pipeline is all 3. And then I selected all 4 possible statuses of a deal: open, lost, won, and deleted. So this shows you absolutely everything that's ever been made in your Pipedrive account as far as deals are concerned. And then I hit save. So what this did is this brought up 99 specific deals for my account. And when I was organizing my list view, I made my ID field visible. So if it's not visible, you can select it from down here. So when I had my ID field visible, I actually sorted it in ascending order from 1 to 99. And I want to show you how the logic with the BCC addresses work. So when you open up, let's say, your first one, you'll go into it, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see the deal-specific email address, like so. In this case, look at my universal one. This one is called however@pipedrivemail.com, and this is however plus deal1@pipedrivemail.com. So I got to thinking about this and was like, there's some logic in here, and there's a way to make this happen it takes a little bit of work, but there's a way to actually get that information just using this sort of basic logic. So after going into the deals page and then selecting that list that I have sorted, I'm going to export those filtered results into an XLS spreadsheet. It becomes exported. I close it. I head over to my settings, click on export data, and I will check to see which one it is. I do a lot of exports, obviously. And now we're here. This one, 99 deals. I've been testing this all morning. And then we download it. Now it's loaded. So once we open it up in Excel, we have this big list here. And I want to show you how to do this. First, we'll select the first column, which is what we set up for ID. And we are going to hit data and sort ascending. Now all of my deals are in ascending order. Over here, let me just find the widest column. I'm going to put in deal BCC, and here I'm going to put domain. So what I do in this case is, let's open this back up to our deals page, and I'm going to extract ID number 1 just for fun. And ID number 1 is essentially this ID address, like so. I'm going to copy that and then go back into my Excel sheet, wherever it has gone, and deal BCC and hit paste. So once I get to this stage, I'm just going to take out @pipedrivemail.com, just delete it, hit enter, and now we have deal number 1 matched up with ID number 1. And then just extend that all the way out, and it just automatically starts adding the numbers together since it's in ascending order. And I'm going to drag this all the way down to, I'm going to zoom out a little bit to see how we can get this to work. I'm just going to download it all the way to the bottom to all of my 99 deals, all sorted. And now that we've got that taken care of, let's go ahead and widen the column. And then I'm going to put pipedrivemail.com. And the next level is just copy that one all the way down to all of your columns. Easy as that. Now, it's really complicated when you're working with @ symbols, so I found this pretty sweet function that is going to be very helpful. Email address, and this function is called, I don't really know how to pronounce it, but let's zoom in real quick. Oh, before you do this, I would suggest selecting these two columns that you've created and changing their layout to, I would select the number format just as a custom field. Sometimes when you do that, it's less troublesome. Don't know why it didn't change, but let's try it again just to see if it's an issue. Okay, maybe it's not going to be an issue. It's listed as a general field, so it's probably not a problem. This feature in Excel is called the, I'm going to have some trouble pronouncing this, but this feature is called concatenate feature. And the way this works is it combines two cell fields, and you can put anything in between those numbers, those items, if you want. So zoom in just a little bit more, make this more simple on us. Looks like it's not letting me zoom either. It's only zooming bit by bit. All right, well, if it's going to be that way, it's going to be that way. So I'm going to start here from the parentheses, from this function, and I'm going to select this cell, and then it highlights text 1. You want to put a semicolon in between it, semicolon, and then in the semicolon, right after the first semicolon, you want to select quotation, insert an @ symbol, another quotation, semicolon, and then select pipedrivemail.com, hit enter. Voila! Now it appears we have created our email address for our specific deal. Next step from here is simply take the column, take the formula, and drag it down. Work here is done. So now you can save that file, and you've generated an email list for all of your deals inside of Pipedrive. And maybe takes about as long as it took me to make this video, but I did all the work, so now you know how to do it. And I really hope that it gives you a hand and helps you figure out what you need to do. Anyway, have a great day, and please let me know if you have any additional questions. I hope this workaround takes care of all of your needs. All right, take care. Bye-bye.